Hello, Miss Deanna. I'm going to read the words for your homophone spelling test. How we're going to do this, since they're the same word, they're spelled different and they mean something different. I'm going to read them together. So like number 1 and number 2 will be aloud. So you will have to spell both alouds on number 1 and number 2. I will give an example of their meaning, and then you can type that in the space. So number 1 and number 2 is aloud. The first one is I read a book aloud. Number 2 is you are allowed to go to your friend's house. So number 1 and number 2 are allowed homophones. 3 and 4 is bare. The first bare is there is a bare spot in the grass. The other bare, number 4, is the animal. There is a bear in the woods. 5 and 6 is board. The first board is I am going to write a math problem on the whiteboard. Number 6, the other board, is I am bored at home. 7 and 8 is break. The first break is I will break my arm when I go bike riding later. I hope that doesn't happen. The other break is I will brake in my car so that it stops. And 9 and 10 is cent. 9 is cent as in money. A penny is worth 1 cent. And number 10 is scent as in the scent of a candle. So the scent of this candle smells like vanilla. I hope you were able to follow that. Feel free to take extra time on this one if you need it. I will not give you any words this week unless you want them. Just because we're wrapping up the year and it's a short week. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.